Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have received my first Temu parcel. First of all, let's talk about this beauty. This bag is beyond my expectations. I mean, I wasn't expecting such quality, but it is incredibly chic, very demure and elegant. Just look at it. This is going to be my daily use bag now, as these minimalist bags are so on trend these days. Next we have these headbands. It's a set of 3 and the price was so reasonable that I couldn't stop myself from ordering them. Their quality is also good. Next we have this soft silicone scalp massager brush. I needed this because sometimes I feel the need for a massage after oiling my hair or applying a shampoo, so I really wanted this. The quality is also good. You can see that the bristles are very soft and nice. Next we have this daisy flower themed mobile cover. Isn't it giving off a Pinteresty vibe? I mean, look at the quality and the cuteness of this cover. It even has a little mirror here and the price was also very good. These hair clips are everywhere on my social media account, like on Insta and TikTok, everywhere. So I ordered them too. I got them in pink color. They are great for holding your hair back while doing your skincare or makeup. So totally I also got these small ketchup bottles for my son's school tiffin. They are really helpful since putting ketchup or any sauce directly in the tiffin can get messy. The price of these French clips was also reasonable, so I decided to order them too. They come in a set of 3 and we are going to create some great hairstyles with them, so do not forget to follow me on Instagram. And that's everything in my first parcel. I'm now waiting for my second one because everything in this first order was so good. I'm excited to share the next parcel with you all, so do not forget to like and subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum.